Pucha, sobrang tarik, Brad.
Saka na tayo.
Itong susunod, matindi talaga. Parang sungay na off-road. What's up guys? And welcome back. Good morning. Sprocket Sam ulit. Kasalukuyang umahon dito sa Kabating Climb pa Buso. So MTB tayo ngayon. MTB habang nagpapagaling ng kamay, no, dun sa compressed ulnar nerves. Anyway, for this morning we will be visiting a trail that I haven't visited for quite a while. Siguro may isang taon na rin, no? Sa may Pintong Bukawi. It's called Kasili Trail. Medyo matarik siya, pero nothing too technical, no? Siguro nagpahirap sa kanya yung tarik niya at pagkalus niya. So isilipin natin yon. Hurt kasi may isang bandang gitna daw, it has been closed. There has been an outpost installed there or made there na doesn't allow bikers or outsiders to pass. So we'll see for this morning. If that would be the case, meron naman tayong backup plan. Sa gilid ng Kasili may papakita ako sa inyong trail. It's called Sitio Lumbangan. Kunti lang may alam nun. So yeah, tara, ako na tayo pa buso-buso. Let's go!
Okay, just a quick overview of the ride today. As usual, the whole ride's gonna be just about 52 kilometers more or less, but with massive elevation gain of about 1,050 to 1,100. So yes, this route is going to be very, very, very hilly on en route, no? Which means pabalik natin medyo haya-hay na ang buhay kasi halos puro lusong na, no? So the trail itself is just about 2 kilometers plus yung Segway na Lumbangan na 1.5 kilometers with a total off-road ride of siguro mga 4.5 to 5 kilometers, no? Pero tanggal kate kasi malapit lang siya. Tsaka dahil sa tarik, mag-e-enjoy talaga.
Okay. So, buso-buso na. Kaya ko, what you want to do is turn left here. Okay? Pintong Bukawi area. Yeah. Okay. So, pagpasok nyo, ahon ka dyan. Pero may lang to. This route going to our destination, Kasili, no, is a very, very hilly route. So, puro ahon to. Have no fear since naka-MTB naman tayo. Okay lang, kahit anong tarik pa yan, kaya yan. Whoa, look at that! That's why I love riding bikes, pare. Views are like one of the best rewards. Pero cementerio yan. Dun, cementerio yan. Okay lang, ganda pa rin, kahit cementerio. So we're climbing what's called Sapinic Road. I think it's one of the steepest climbs here. And well, it's not really long. Matarik lang talaga siya. I think 15 or 16% siya dun. So dun tayo galing sa likod. Yan yung inahon natin. Pero ba? Matarik? Basta matarik. Okay lang. So this is one of the steepest climbs papunta dun.
So this is a small overlooking view just before the town proper, no? So I love stopping here because you can really see the mountains. That's behind the Boso Boso view deck, no? So we're seeing it from behind.
Oh, by the way, some of you have been asking how I fuel on long rides, on hilly climbs, as well as races, no? So, you know, like I said before, I really don't want to give biased untrue reviews. No? I want to keep it as raw as possible. So what I'm taking right now is Badass Fuel. Bago ko pa lang siya nititake, no? Kasi bago pala, parang pangatlong beses pa lang to. Pero so far so good, no? It's half the price of its competitor, no? So far so good. It's an energy drink. It's a carb source drink, no? At gawang Pinoy. Siyempre, support your own, di ba? Okay siya. So far, ha? So far, okay siya. I'll give you more feedback later on.
So exiting this small town proper called Purok 2, no? It gets hilly after this.
So after Barangay Sapinit, Purok 2, we get to this flowy climb. Patarik. Pero may lang to. Straight, AFP trail. Kanan. Pintong Bukawi. Okay? Kung familiar kayo sa 10 Commandments, nandiyan pa rin siya. Diretso kayo dito. 50 pesos ang bayad. May lang yung 10 Commandments na parang tablets. Pero tayo, dito tayo. Puntang Kasim. Sir, thank you po. Una na ako. Thank you. Okay, so may mga nakausap tayong taga dito. At ang sabi nila ay sarado na daw talaga ang Kasili. Ginawa ng dam. So, pwede pa rin natin puntahan na ako para makita yung tarik ng hayop na yun. Tapos, i-segue na lang tayo sa Lumbangan. However, may sinasabi silang pwedeng puntahan daw na trail. Mountain Hug ang tawag. The first time I've heard of it. Since nandito na rin tayo, silipin na rin ito. Okay, ito na yung lusong papuntang Kasili. Sementado na. Dati rough road to. Itong part na to, dito na simula ng rough road. So sinemento na talagang mukhang wala na nga. Before this was rough road. So since we're here anyway, puntahan na natin. Dito rin naman papunta yung sinasabi nilang Mountain Hug. Tarik oh. Imagine na lang dati ng dirt road pa to.
So it's very sad that they cemented already this part, but I've heard din from many locals dito, ng mga tindahan, as well as I've been with people who really crashed, mga kapwa siklista, they really crashed here because this is really a very loose course. Vehicles din crashed, may namatay na nga daw dito na motor, nag-overshoot, tsaka isang jeep. Yan yung mga kwento ng mga locals dito through the years, no? So this is really a local infamous route for a danger zone, no?
So good news is yung pinakamatarik na part ng Kasili dito fire road pa. Siyempre, titirain natin yan. Claro! Okay, let's go! Good! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes pa rin. At dati, binababa namin to ng gravel ng mga Factor Boys. Yeah. Before. So, dati, simula dun pa lang sa simula. Easy. Ganto, fire road talaga. Ngayon, wala na. Still beautiful. Oh. Yes. I'm thankful na okay pa rin dito sa part na to.
Okay guys, time for our shameless plug. If you like the content, I hope you could like, share, and subscribe. I expect videos every week. Thanks!
So ito yung brief recovery niya bago ulit tayo lumusong ng matindi. Okay? Tatlong matatarik yun eh. Ito yung isa, warm up yun. Ito yung pangalawang matarik. And I think yung gate na kino-construct nila dati, hindi na tayo aabot dun sa pangatlong matarik. So, yeah, kaya ng gravel dito, no? Gravelers kung gusto nyo ng legit fire road, kaya dito. It's just that, alalay lang, weight back lang. Kasi talagang loose siya. Wow, look at that mountain under. And matarik siya. Okay?
So we're about to enter the steepest part of this trail. I want you to pay close attention to the slope on the upper right of the screen. No? So you would see the actual grade.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that, bro. That rats everywhere. So pag gravel ka, commitment is key dito. Take the outer shoulder. Look how steep that is. Look how steep that is. So control your speed para hindi mag-overshoot. Ito sa MTBC, ito sa walang-wala sa MTBC. Okay. So that's the second steepest part. And I believe dito, nandito na yung gate banda sa may baba. I will learn soon. Sayang, may riverbed pa naman dito. Pero still, di ba? Okay na rin. You get this awesome fire road.
So that's the end of the steepest part of this descent, guys. I'm sure you've seen the grade, no? Malala siya. And it's loose with corners. So shortly here, we arrive at the outpost I was talking about earlier.
End of the line, guys. As said. Kupit na tayo. Good morning, sir. Ikot na po. Yeah. Yeah, ako na po. Yes. Sa sarado. There's no way you're gonna go inside that. Now, for Lumbangan and the climbs. So the climbs of Kasili are quite steep. Hindi bumababa ng 11% dito. Plus itong susunod, matindi talaga. Like I said earlier, dalawa yung matindi, o tatlo. Pwede dalawa siguro. Ito yung isa. Hindi lang talaga natin makuha sa camera yung gnarliness niya, no? Pero matarik. I think 24% to na may snow. Ayan, no? Parang sungay na off-road. Ayan, siya. Try natin kunin yung angulo para ma-visualize nyo yung tarik niya, no? So, pinakamatarik na siko ng Kasili. Bulusok yun. Doon. Ay, nako. 24% consistent. 300 meters. Makakamount ba tayo sa 24%? Oh, yes! Sa gravel, hindi. Sa MTB, kaya. Okay. Fine. Dito tayo na, Granny. Kaya pa. Walang granny-granny. Yung kaya pa. So, I'm very happy na nandun pa rin yung part na yun. And I hope hindi na nila sementohan to kasi parang ito na lang yung remnant ng lumang Kasili. Too bad hindi na tayo makakababa dun sa river. Wala eh. Okay. So this is the recovery area, and conveniently there's also a very nice and overlooking view of the mountains of Pintong Bukawi yonder. Okay. So Mountain Hug and Lumbangan is on the same place. Well, that's convenient. I kind of thought of that. So, pag nabitin kayo sa Kasili, which I'm sure mabibiting kayo. May trail pa dito. No? So, ay, na-explore natin. This is called Sitio Lumbangan / Mountain Hug. Okay? Climb siya.
So this is our segue, no? This is called Sitio Lumbangan, like I mentioned moments ago. This is a gravel-friendly trail. Now the whole segue is just about 2 kilometers for this route, and it's mostly a residential area. At least for this segue, no? For these 2 kilometers that we will be coursing through. But Lumbangan is very deep, no? I'll explore later. This is just a tip of the iceberg, no? Yes, so nothing really technical, just an unpaved road.
Sa kanan, masukal. Tinay na namin yan, pasukin natin ng gravel. Malala dyan. Pare. Dito lang tayo. Actually, Sitio Lumbangan has more trail parts. Lib-lib. Papasok pa dun. Single tracks. Mini drops. Kaya naman ng hardtail. Exi pa rin. Dun o. Papunta dun. Pero, since umulan kahapon, malakas. Maputikan. So dito lang tayo sa medyo gravelly part. Saan daw?
Ito naman po yung pinakamalapit na palabas.
Oo nga po, ito papasok pa, no? Thank you. Okay. Sumali yung mapa ko. Oy! Ito, sarap sa gravel to. Mas masarap sa MT dito. Yun, sir. Bulusok, ensen. Sabay ganun ahon na pumunta. Lak. Oh! Okay itong segue natin ngayon. Pinaligaw lang tayo. Minsan tong GPS, may topak to eh. May delay to eh. So, may delay tayo. Tayo sa bato. Yung sa putik, yung maglinis. Okay. Okay. According sa mapa, 400 meters. Main road na tayo. Okay.
So we're finally out of Sitio Lumbangan, that segue, no, and back now at the main Kasili Road, which is already cemented, no. So tapos na yung segue, tapos na yung trails. We're on our way back home, Paahon.
Okay, so that's it for our ride today. I'll be posting a link of the GPX below the description. Sakaling gusto nyo i-try yung ruta. Maganda siyang pasyalan, lalo hindi siya ganun kalayo, malapit lang. If you like the content, guys, I hope you could support me by liking and subscribe. Thanks, and as usual, I'll see you next week or next time.